matter concern Zion and Evangelist Ezeaku on transfer that attack on us without actually knowing Facebook, except some people who cannot understand that area of engagement. Now, but I can draw out to draw before you were a Zionite. I am wondering, why is it that all the series of allegations, Ijere even threatened Evangelist Ezeaku's family? He went to the extent of saying that no, you boom pay, no, you boom where it happened.
I'm not aware. No. But I'm not sure. Even though that something like this happened, one did totally against it.
Okay.
But I really it happened. But my own, can that guy even do that thing?
No. I hate who can he do that.
If he tries it, then law will pick him up.
If such kind of thing said you had more get win.
I never had it. First time now.
I'm going to make it against you. Another somebody somewhere will take advantage.
Somebody saying that they're doing that wanted to destroy Okulora. How?
Okay, doing if you know Okulora.
I'm doing that wanted to destroy Okulora.
Mathias Ezeaku now don't get doing.
No. That can come and stand between me and Okulora.
Yeah, okay, do you know?
I'm not one again.
I was going to go.
John, man, you say. I wouldn't get with it go. I can only guide him.
Oh my God,
what I mean? Why did I make mistake?
I'll get you know the guidance here now. Oh, even on Facebook, give out a command on your support.
More about it.
Yes, now.
People have before one time.
Okay, the win. Okay, the win. Emmanuel Batacha life on that day. Emmanuel Batacha life on that day. Omeho Ede Mfukwayo na live ebe Makelechi TV no Kelava ya Choko Millionaire. Ino lukwa ebe ahụ na-aba n'okpuru ọra na kelifonu na-eje achọla onye zuru ohi whereas na anyị macha onye zuru ohi. How can okpuru ọra come out when he already knows that no nyanwa wu onye selu that plan na anyị macha? Yes. That program.
Ezeaku, I don't think na he na-ekwu wezo.
Get win. Even
how do I say it? All I did is come and do it. That's it. And nothing.
Okay.
I know you are somebody that fights for people.
Okay.
When I'm going to come and fight, can I recover that?
Okay.
I will apologize.
Okay. Get win. Me wotaro series of video. Me wotaro as long one video. Me wotaro series of video. Afukwana from video ebe no. Afukwana video ebe no na ekwu na ihe akpọ okuru na ihe asị na okuru la usoro ego ndị mmadụ. Enwekwara series of videos ebe ị nọkwa. Yes, afukwana series of videos ebe ị nọkwa. Na conflict kwa that same thing ikwulu.
No.
Get win.
No. Assumption. You get me?
Assumption now. Assumption. Jenny legacy videos I made now. They made so many.
I get no room for people to enter. Are they possible? Hey, I know here they go. This our brother like now.
So many videos.
This mic will be here. I can't here. Can never see people like this. Judas on check this profile.
Waja say now their plan then. Ezeaku TV even they call us both to do if we to the extreme. To the extreme. If you made that young man I don't good, that is the truth. If you made that young man I don't good.
Okulora where the head you are married. And that's what I'm calling for. Nothing more. I want you to show me a video about Morocco on your show.
Okanko.
If we take one, I swear I will apologize.
That was most of our annoyance then.
No.
You were saying that you get
never.
But you were also conflicting yourself in the other way.
How?
I watched that video closely more than how many times. Ebi Kulu, Keludo onyo here neja, Kevan as I did as you Okurora, Napota, the Daniel the Madaga, where the shot on your Suregun the mother. Why not Yama? Wonye de Fahanacho? No. Then you said there is no. You said
where you see me coming out directly is on that particular guy and boy VJ. That's the only comment I normally make. I always say ABJ is Okula is ABJ.
No.
That's the only thing I said.
You said there is
for him to come out and openly in a platform and give go ahead order to people to interact business.
You said You said I'm going to hit the phone. You said that there is no Zimbabwean man. That the Zimbabwean man is Okura and Igbo.
No,
you said
I never said it.
You said how can we be looking for a Zimbabwean man?
I never said it. Okay, I will allow you to flow. If flow, I will now say my name.
No, now we've been there.
I like what time is it?
A very dangerous job. A very dangerous job. Why? You gotta go on a individual broadcast. If you man, you know how together with the Kelechi and Do to even one
no, here go on. I know together. Doesn't mean you know I not have more. No, because but when I'm alone, I don't think I'm doing that. You are saying, like, can you do it too?
I won't do it bad, and I'm a good need the phone on you glass. I'm on a glass here. Yeah, allow where I'm going to the way I'm venting a sick or joy get off. Hey, what I go? So now, man, okay, doing actually, when you say Edwin, you, Akoma TV, Shokomilo, Starman, all of you, and then Okura, calling him Onyoshi. Yes.
Because
yes,
not easy to say something.
Yes,
go my allegation.
Now, get doing. Can you put another adjunct? I will look at that now. Motor, we both non guzuru motor. Mbo non guzuru motor. Can you feel me?
I have to.
Let me say that now. I
have to submit myself.
You have to submit yourself
to
investigation.
Thank
you very much. Kelu konu si we kwuo na-ezuno ohi na platform Okwuluora ndị Igbo nwe na Okwuluora ndị Igbo that na Facebook for na many people including you na elebeli a thief. How do you want him to come and be an investigator of a crime? How do you want him to flow? Yes. How do you want him to come and be an investigator of a crime he is accused of? Did he say that he was there in any way? Okwuluora will say not submit your way to investigation.
Government, I want to correct an impression.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm so. Yeah, actually, Omega Victory State.
Okay.
Mrs. Zuza, Omega. Mwana hapo.
Because I like it.
Mwana hapo.
You know, get the way they are I don't cut also because now, but some okay the way but I apology if I
okay, can I be no could joy because never huh? Whenever you hear me say Eberima, onye ọla mamụ onye ọla mamụ onye ọla mamụ mara go ụmụ na sebiri ma amago ya na repatụ onye wedi ha gori gị todu utokwulu no adị m sure ihe mụwa kwuru ahụrụ ihe ndị ọzọ kwuru I know it's settle her because the victims are not equal up to now over with $1. Can you settle them? No. You cannot reconcile with that, you know. I mean, without the victims being. No. I'm not even. My own. I am standing out in this issue. Because yes, because video only one. Only one canchoro, only one. Oh yeah, got battery. Okay, 1,000. Hey, I don't know what one. I am with that program. Mommy Joy, I am with that program. Balaba, Conca, and Gaya Baba, Concord on Monkey. Hey, Mommy Joy, welcome. But you said that the I've made an apology. It's a Mommy Joy. Let them one and him the Guyapuana. I can also, I can get win Macaeson na group or get win. I have them request here now. So, now, Mommy Joy, it's some Nanda Gada where my apology. Mommy Joy, it's a Nanda my apology. Mama, and we both apology. Yes. I'm just another question. COS. That was not an issue, Mommy Joy. That was not the issue. Address that, Mommy Joy. Mommy Joy, we are not here to talk about that money again. Yes. Even the book concerning our relationship as a mother. Because now, who are going to position anything in the level to the gap? And the moon has very bad balloon. I don't information on what I will know your name and get that we will. And the Waja, up to today, it is not even proven. I don't even know. Which was all Hannah been a program. Their own plan would to indict Okura and no Okura as you them mother. They failed to prove it. I should go. Yeah, kind of, you know, trying to say something that is not true. Answer to the question. Everyone get win here now. Get win now here. How many apology? I need a woman. We disagree to agree. We disagree to agree. Woman. To see them to tell us I need a woman. I mean a woman. I have what I am apology to. I tell you that at the end of the day, you find out no. I want any findings.
in behalf of people that are being protected.
Because these things are still funded. No. Waja. Okurora is the owner of this platform, and the scam took place in his platform. Which is the crime scene. I think that the people was to be covered. But you took this process, and you want to do it.
And what do you maybe? And what do you maybe? I'm not a measure our people. We are one. Network is very, very bad.
Can you have a program every day? Can you have a program every day? Every morning, every night, every evening.
From information I'm getting,
Check out what
Vikings has not gotten 1 naira.
Yes. That's a lot of
Waja. I think at that area, I still stand by it. That you.
The network is very, very bad.
Judge a woman who happened to be a victim. To tell the people that this woman is. No, that is where you go. Yeah.
Waja. Mary, or Mary COS in a way. COS. How much you may even apply for COS no way. Thank you. Now, a single person yellow pro ego since age work with Nina. When Mary ego. So, now I have the actual problem.
Our president too, but many agents.
Waja. Abu Miron Nekuya. No man Neko. Waja, I see the purpose. Go and go Jibata. He just let Okuro name not be mentioned. I know Kukweli.
We are not saying that Okuro mentioned.
No. This is, and now you are not telling me I should not talk about Okulora. I'll have to come apologize to you. Who said that? You were interest. You were interest. More abu. More abu. Why that? Hey. Never one day come out on social media.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I have a problem. If I do a problem, there was a lot of people on to a lot of worry. Do you understand? Can't see when the woman has seen that if I do our relationship, I had a good program no, even the relationship between Moro Gateway, Mona Kirechi, Mona Makabila, Mona Kerabia, Perimana Switzerland.
Because all Nakaya Diocha, then why are we now talking? Oh, Nakaya Diocha. So, but my own, have the victims, wait, have the victims gotten 1 naira? The victims on your local label. Where did Kerema with the crime scene? Kebo take replace? Yeah. Because I'm here. I am doing that. Oh, I'm doing that. As far as the information waited today. Why, can we play again? As far as I'm concerned, my concern is let the money that every man for on the buy get return. So go with I've never when they open my mouth, waiting on Kuloras on the Bayoshi.
Maybe you countless time.
Get 1 month. I will say it. I want to contact it in your program. I want you to bring a proof where I said it. But I want you to bring out one, and I will surely apologize. No. I want one particular even Potarasi Kulana Woyoshi.
Okay, we have Nigeria. Just to follow Nigeria. In Nigeria, a lot of people are any day able to get up with the idea. We don't discuss this matter.
Because now we have now, the victims are, I don't know how feel bad, and I don't want to. Oh, now for the and I want to. I want to match on the Kukwa. Then the Kubo Zion. Why that? Because I don't think
I have Zoku offending.
Because I don't Zion. Zion.
Okay, Dalo.
I can't get that
Why?
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, Dwayne. I actually go back to the Zion ministry.
Zion ministry because I would
now, okay, Dwayne.
Because
yes, I got him and a problem don't have Facebook. I wanna onye kwuru ekwu ya ekwu mana o nwere ike now okay doing ịma na o nwere ike kpatalụ na ịga na page ma from beginning to end wee nweta onwebụghị anything nkwuchalụ mpụta echi agbango na m ekwughị reason wụ because ana m enyo critically before m ekwuo I always avoid talking out of emotion, because when I talk out of emotion or anger, I may forget the length and go tomorrow. Actually, then we make a during the time of open ụka gbasara Zion bidolu na Facebook, almost all those people, almost, in fact, even you, we are making reference to amụma Evangelist Ebuka Obi bụrụ okpuru ọra ndị Igbo na-ego COS ahụ wunye awa ego ahụ Ebuka Obi bụrụ ya na amụma no you receive okpuru ọra wee confirm one receive go that money. So don't forget that now.
In defense, you are trying to make me to know.
No.
You are trying to tell me that my spiritual father, no,
all those them. Do we know? No, I am not spiritual father.
That's what you are trying to say now.
But all this while.
Propaganda. So my own project, the mama di cooked on here.
For the sake of no Facebook, a lot of people manike Donna Zion, and they prove Nike all Donna Zion. Hey, what I go?
And I'm a doubt.
Zion.
How much on the
years we will know Manana open the Zion.
If you go there, how much men are about how much Zion?
Kilogis we will know men.
I make it different.
Can give Ben Naga. Kaiwe gather.
How many men are
and again, so
I want to get you one even when we go up in a queer. You can watch on the Ona only queer na podium here there. You can never okay, there's no way you can defend yourself. You know when you queer, or not before Igbo, or not possible. When you do that, Ordinana,
shall get doing
Ganiru. I'm not able to look at one for that reason.
Thank God you are saying it now and people are hearing it. Now no get doing. Before my pussy if I'm are you a supporter of Mathias?
Mathias Ezeaku, since he came out, doing all the good things he was doing before he even became Onyomenala.
Are you a supporter of Mathias? Yes or no? No, yes or no?
Now every
are you a supporter of Mathias? Yes or no?
Your viewers got 1 year.
Yes or no? Now
I'm a supporter of Mathias. I'm a supporter of Mathias.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Can you tell me message Mathias? Okay, Chelu.
Yes.
Okay, Chelu. Even Mathias na-ekwu na nwa baby virgin Evangelist Ebuka Obi a fake man of God, and then na the whole testimonies ni na na-enwe na Zion ministry na arrange.
I've never come out to through my support.
No, asking go.
They go do money. I've never come out to throw my support.
If I na camera, get win.
Can't go about myself.
No, don't. No. This is a strong supporter of Mathias, and don't know what I am a joker. I not even in the pastor you could. When I joke it, since you are a strong supporter and follower of Mathias, and
allow me to land. Allow me to die. Allow me to die before you are trying to bury me alive now. Can you allow me to talk my own opinion? Who is Mathias? That's from Mathias. Talk one neighbor. I'm an elder. So who am I here to come and then Mathias?
Oh, my baby, wait, I will call you back. Oh, I'm on live. Oh, I will call you back. Oh, okay, what do you know?
Because I've been more somebody before Mathias and on the media. I've been on the media, and when I say Mathias, what he was doing, I was supporting. The only money you go, Mathias, 3,000 naira. I will not lie. And you pay me anything more than 3,000 naira. And I saw a lot of great things he was doing. And I know his anger with him today, which I always come out and say, I won't decide, but I won't decide. But I want to tell you about myself, my very own person. I don't believe in anything miracle. What do I mean? And it doesn't make me not to be a Zionite. My mother knows it. My sisters know it. They're all the Zionites.
What makes you to become a Zionite?
I didn't become a Zionite for miracle.
Zion or church?
Zion is not a church.
So Zion is not.
Zion is a ministry.
Why since your sole aim is to go and worship God? Why you have a church? Decide they are either Zion.
Church in the
Zion is not a church.
I'm a Catholic.
You are either an Anglican or a Catholic.
I'm a Catholic.
Or no Catholic church, around.
I am a Catholic. And I told you I worship in Catholic. I go to Zion for prayers.
For prayers. Prayers for what? Prayers for what?
Prayers for my own soul.
For your own soul, you said you don't believe in miracle.
Okay, let me tell you.
So, prayer for what?
Let me tell you, I don't go to Zion for miracle.
Okay, you go for Zion for prayer.
Thank you.
Prayer for what?
I said it again. I repeat it again. I don't go to miracle to Zion for miracle.
You go for prayers.
I go for
prayers for what?
I am meditating between me and my God.
You are meditating between you and your God.
Yes.
When you feel in action,
Everybody can never help me to achieve what I want to do.
So can you feel
my mind for my mind and soul.
So the only thing in a way potential evangelist go be now say, I declare healing, I declare I pray for your soul. You see, amen.
Miracle. I don't go and dig in. You only on the social media, all the men are there. I know I do delete most of my videos, but if you can recall, I've never one day come out and said that I believe in anything miracle. Carry me to hospital.
Zion between you and your God. I don't know what took you to Zion. It is only you and your God.
Do you know that?
But what I know is that if you tell me that what took you to Zion is just for you to go and pray for your soul, I will tell you that you are lying.
Okay.
No so you are a born Catholic.
You believe
that you pray for your soul in a Catholic church?
You believe that I went there for miracle?
You went there for something stronger than what I don't know. I don't know because it might even for something. I don't know.
Okay.
Why would I know?
Can I talk? Can I talk? My chance.
Because I believe in my miracle. I for not believing in miracle. Miracle.
Will you not pray for your soul in Catholic? Ministry.
Okay, are you now trying to tell me that now
that is by the way. That is by the way. Now let me tell you another thing. Let me tell you another thing. Now, since you have declared that you are a strong follower and supporter of Mathias, I'm asking you now, can you message Mathias believe
as a strong follower of Mathias?
Yes.
I will repeat it again.
Yes.
Because And I understand it.
Do you believe it? Let me ask you this question again before the camera.
Yeah.
As a Zionite,
Yeah.
that you are.
Yeah.
Do you believe it when Mathias said that one baby virgin, who we know? In fact, he was mentioning his name before the arrest. After the arrest, he changed his name to one baby virgin. Now, Evangelist Ebukobi or one baby virgin, as he always referred to him. Do you believe that one baby virgin is a fake man of God? Do you believe that all the testimonies are in way na Zion ground, that they are all arranged? Do you believe it?
Let me say it again. I repeat myself. You asked me, can you hear Muhammad and like it? And I told you. Now you're asking me something that has not to do with that thing.
Have you not heard Mathias confess that saying what I said?
That thing that I said that he's doing that I like is what you are trying to tell me now, that I shouldn't be part of. I mean, I shouldn't like that thing. To somebody
you have never seen it.
I've not
before the camera.
I'm saying it here.
Before the camera.
I'm saying it.
You are confirming to the whole world.
Yeah.
But if you Zion, thank you very much. Now, Ogedwin, if you don't answer this question, I think go since you have said that an evangelist you have just confirmed about Zion, and I'm sure it is the same every other churches, because we have asked people.
Because Zion is not a church.
We have whether churches or ministry. Churches or ministry. We have said it countless times that show me one video where a man of God has asked the congregation, do not go to hospital when you are sick.
Thank you. That's why I'm.
Show me one video.
That is why
nobody up to today.
That's why you see me. I'm still a proud Zionite.
Okay, how are you telling me that you are a proud Zionite? But I am asking you a question. Where say go? Now, Mathias says that you're the GO, that your spiritual father.
Good.
Who a fake?
Your spiritual father kick you.
Now your spiritual father, who a fake man of God. Now your spiritual father, Neymar Renji. Can you now tell the world that part of message in Mathias that you don't flow with it, that you disagree with Mathias? Now that message.
As far as I'm concerned, and when he do that, I will be defending that big black boy.
But I don't know.
So for me, leave the fight for God to fight.
So I should leave the fight for God.
Where you are getting it wrong.
I should leave the fight for God.
Leave the fight for God. That's how it's the
since no one any of you, because he even in on Zion. And you can tell yourself the truth. You can tell yourself the truth that it is only not only Zion, because church programs, majority of churches in England today on Facebook, and for activities on Facebook. And you will agree with me that we haven't seen any man of God.
Bring on your man.
We haven't seen any man of God. We haven't seen any man of God so far that said, "Onya Managa, you send the person." We haven't seen any man of God so far that said,
people that don't know who I am, who are on social media insulting themselves. Onya Managa, we are number one.
Come concentrate. I'm not kitchen. I'm a member of Zionite in Belgium here. I'm in a Belgium group na WhatsApp. I am a member of Zionite, understand? Coming to Mathias Ezeaku. Esem na one of the founder. And Ezeaku. Esem na one of the founder and mepere Igbo love themselves. So why want mepere Igbo love themselves? Mbagra register ya Mathias Ezeaku anana iti Igbo love themselves. Register ya under ye na nwunye ya. Eputa bia kwuo so go won like ihe gi ku ishi na wall. Mana now as you go man them and when get anything no na Mathias mere take him mad because onye ọwụla nọ na battling. Mathias Ezeaku na battle Christians and go man ọkwa under is Christians agaga ala so it's a battling is a fight of onye ga-emerila. I am not gonna put my mouth there but the fact remains that no matter any Mathias that because on Apple out of track, there's a lot of things that he's doing out there that is really not.
Mommy Joy, when you were him and I like when you put him and enjoy Mommy Joy, it's in a Nama like for Mathias and activities here. Na Mathias Nekuna Christianity Ghana, then Namuma Nekuna Christianity Ghana, so they are on that one. But you said you are a Zionite. Yes, a Zionite member of Belgium, right?
Yes.
Meaning that you are a Christian. Mommy Joy, I want to ask you a question.
I am a Christian. Who falls
Thank you. Mommy Joy, how can you say that you cannot put your mouth in Mathias na Christianity Ghana? Let me ask you, Mommy Joy, a direct question. Mommy Joy, do you think that Christianity should leave Nigeria and Igbo? Never. So you say never. How can you say that? How can you say that I have never supported anything?
Can you allow me to answer you?
Okay,
in Ghana, my platform, Christianity oh I want Christian, oh I want domenala. I mean a wounded name or Mpuna Christian name or domenala name can be name oh I want mad chineke kereke name. I'll speak out about it, but why I say this is because I know where you stand, Ezeaku. Where you stand, yes, I'm a maybe stand through. Because they want to give up Mathias many likely because Mathias Anna fight is just a fighting. Two fighting of that's why I dropped that comment. Manamu or somebody stand through soon. Now Christianity we get born aga. Only all na people that this na Christianity with their ideas. Christianity with this all washi. All I want the Christianity, all I want do men and all I want ala the man on ali bota. Or Christianity ne kidnap on them mad. Or Christianity na ransom. No, we are the one that
Mommy Joy, are you a supporter of Mathias?
A supporter of Mathias. I will tell you that so many things Mathias is saying, yes, I support him, and there is the one I don't support.
Can they support you?
Them support you ever na one day matter. Oye de chika hu go log. No log ga ki oya. Mani pota this na Christianity gala. Imo by force. You cannot by force anybody to belong in what you belong.
You are able to create an even. Now, Mommy Joy, do you believe in miracle?
I believe in miracle.
Do you believe that God can heal?
God is a healing. God is a healer. 247. Oh yes, on me.
If God is a healer, let me ask you another thing, Mommy Joy.
I don't know God is a healer.
No, but
no go to hospital.
Again the way you know. And I need okenye ka iwu. Ịghọtago onweghị onye n'ime anyị nọ hia ya sị na n'onwe family enweghị family doctor or family hospital. Onweghị onye n'ime anyị ya sị na amụrụ ya na garage apart from ndị amụrụ accidentally maybe na ego adọrọ ọ na-ebu onye ọwa eju na ọgwụ wee mụọ ya na moto. Ndị nna amụrụ onye a ịga na maternity or na hospital. Now na ahụ na arịa mmadụ o did it 3 onwe na-eje na chọọchị na-ekpe ekpere ka God heal ya. Can you tell me, apart from native doctor na alu ojobo and the ndebolo pastors na alu ojobo, can you single out that message of Matthias that said that Jesus Christ is powerless, that Jesus Christ does not heal? But
what was it? Or when you put it in our
okay, okay, are you saying that if I say, okay, can you show my father? Are you saying that if you say that my father is, my father is not God, so definitely, if you say now that capable of doing for me, are you saying that I should not say anything because no one will open?
Jesus Christ or Papa?
He's my father.
How is his job?
He's my father.
How?
If you pray to him, can even
no, wait, how is it?
Why are you praying in his name if it's not your father?
How is he your father?
I am asking you, why are you praying in his name?
How is Jesus Christ your father?
Explain to me. Why are you worshiping him? Are you not worshiping him?
Explain to me.
Are you not worshiping
him?
Explain to me. Are you not worshiping him?
Wait.
I ask you a question.
Then why are you fighting?
Are you?
Why are you fighting?
Igwe Bono is he not a royal father?
Wait.
Igwe Bono is he not a royal father?
Because
yes.
I only tell you, it's not good to be fighting. This kind of fight, it will only cause, make you to look stupid.
No!
And this is the area where I have problems.
We are not fighting here.
Now,
okay, don't bring in emotional sentiment here.
Emotional.
We are not fighting. We will not be here. We are not fighting. Let us discuss. There are people who are paying attention here and they want to learn something from what we are saying.
Like life.
Don't worry. Shelu. Do you know what it means to be a soldier of Christ?
Wait.
Do you know what it means to be a soldier of Christ? Do you know what it means to be a soldier of Christ?
Nothing like that.
Okay.
There's no way.
Do you believe in winning soul? Do you believe in winning soul for Christ?
But not in this way.
How do you win soul for Christ?
By living a Christ-like life.
By living a Christ-like life. So Shelu, by winning a soul for Christ.
Yeah, but
is it part of Ifonye Nase onye na say Jesus Christ is the powerless? So if you leave that, if you maybe not know even now when them Jesus Christ is the powerful.
Good. The powerful.
So now you being a Christian and a Zionite,
you think that
you want to Zionite?
I am asking you. Do you think that
na Zion Church or
have you taken time and listened to Evangelist Ezeaku?
What do you mean by you?
Have you known his stand about him?
I know. His stand is my stand, and his stand is our stand.
What is he always saying?
His stand is very simple.
No, what is he always saying?
Look, his stand is very simple. Evangelist Ezeaku and the rest of us has never in any way been against our culture and tradition.
Thank you.
What is our
that is why I like him. That's why I call him.
What is our culture?
Not do things.
What is our culture and tradition?
Not do things that will make him not be.
Caution these shows. Can buy caution them.
Office Ojo. Office Ojo. Office Ojo. I will warn you,
Zamo can stand here. As onye nnewi nwo.
Onye uru agoke o.
As onye nnewi nwo. Oyi bata nnewi we bi uru ago. Mana onye nnewi ka nwo. Wata as onye nnewi nwo. Nnewi nwe ka asi anu nwanyi. Eno nwanyi na nnewi usoro ndị nnewi si anu nwanyi we no nwanyi. Ejere m Enugu jenu nwanyi. Mgbe nnụrụ Enugu emelu omenala culture and tradition according to etu ndị Enugu si eme. Not according to ndị nnewi si eme. Nwata nwanyi yes udi nwata nwanyi nwụọ na Nnewi nwa agbọghọ nwụọ nne nwanyi nwụọ nwokorobịa nwụọ enwere usoro esi emerie omenala and ebunata ozu ndị omenala anọrụ o nwere vidio mposturu ụbọchị ebe anyị jere akwamozu ọga anyị mgbe sị this is what we mean when we talk about tradition and culture. Ebunata ozu n'ụtụtụ ndị nwe mmadụ enwere ọnọdụ ka ha mee according to ntu usoro omenala anyị si wee dụ ọwụrụ a Christian ndị nwe mmadụ were uche ọnọdụ ndị ụka abịa ụka ha kacha ụka ha enye mmadụ ha nụcha mmadụ ha enyekwa efe ndị nwe mmadụ akọntinukwa wit omenala ha according to usoro ntụ ha si akwa ozu. That is our culture and tradition. Abịa n'ishi ọzọ, abịa n'ishi igwe, abịa n'ime a lot of things that has to do with our culture and tradition. Church has never been against it. We are against Mathias. We are against Mathias.
Why?
Because Mathias is not advocating for our culture and tradition.
Oh, wow.
Mathias is against the message of Christ.
Is it against?
Yes.
Against the message of Jesus Christ.
Yes, he's against the message of Christ.
And what?
He's an antichrist.
And what is he doing now?
He's an antichrist.
What is he?
He's an antichrist because he
What is he doing?
Interrogating. What
Is he converting for?
do you mean by what? Mathias is telling us that Jesus Christ does not exist.
And Aborada saying what?
That is where he got
Saying that your father is what?
that my father is what?
Your own father that Morogene,
No,
an evil person.
what do you mean by he's not an evil person?
Oh, no.
Judas is kind. Have you ever seen anybody who Jesus is Christ kind of woman? Mommy Joy, a minute now. Or dead win. Have you ever seen a Judas is kind of where's the Bible? Man, what? Man, a Bible.
Because I am more or less support.
Mommy Joy,
I'm very busy. People book room.
Mommy Joy,
Ghana my page when I'm actually me patronize the issue okay? Apology. I did my apology any pot. More and what do you apology? So go what get win or get win in making my direct number maka that thing on another phone.
Okay. I will do that.
I can patronize here. I need a woman. Thank you that get win or that. Let us see it that they're working here on over. I need a woman. If get win, can stay with them. Ezugo today. Tomorrow I'm not talking Nigeria. Ndena be Ezugo maka ụmụ iru Ezugo jikete kpata nwa ọmarịcha nwunye gị bịa ka anyị pụọ nwanne anụ m eri aja ụwa anyị pụọ gari ụwa enweghị ebe eji nsogbu aga let love live one love ndị be anyị
Thank you, Mommy Joy. Thank you.
Ezugo.
Okay, brother, you're welcome.
Ya ndewo. Enwere ihe m chọrọ ịrụ aka ịma na emere ajụ jụrụ Edwin gbasara tupu okike abịa ma awụrụ ikpere arụ sị ama full Zionite akwaghị ile anya ebe ifuru ihe yi here. Chukwu okike abịa ma Brother Ebuka also mentioned Chukwu okike abịa. Chukwu okike abịa ma is the creator of heaven and earth, the God Almighty. Chukwu okike abịa ma. That means the God of Abraham. Abiyama is Abraham. So, but I didn't confuse you. Edwin is not a Zionite, but he doesn't believe in miracle. He doesn't believe in miracle, and also he didn't say how did Jesus Christ say that he's your father. So, which means he didn't accept Jesus Christ as his father. I don't know why he's a Zionite. I don't know his purpose of going there. My brother, for you to be a Zionite, you like you go the activities, and the testimony, the miracle. I regard you here, Basara, the things Mathias Ezeaku against Brother Ebuka, instead of you to openly condemn it. That's around. Now that's around. Oh yeah, the hospital. There is some things hospital will not handle for you. There is some things that you remember. You gotta go such experience. One of somebody who is very close to me. All no log within a treat is shy any lady treat Emihana, Ojala Emihana. But all that Zionite without Brother Ebuka touching her. Then that issue If you don't believe in Zion, the leg is the Jemeji. I know get na ke even who brother Bukana late church or what is your purpose? If you want to build their spirit, you can build their spirit inside the church, Catholic church, you know. You need the Zion. So I'm surprised.
You know?
But you are what you are saying. One that says Zionite, you are not supposed to be a Zionite.
I'm a Zionite, because
No, you are not. You are an infiltrator.
I am not.
You are an infiltrator. You are an infiltrator. One for this comment, you are an infiltrator. If you cannot defend your spiritual father boldly,
I'm not here.
I have to say my own. Augata, I have respect for you. You cannot come here and lay an allegation on me and just walk out.
No, there's no allegation.
My brother, let me tell you, you are not in any way representing Zion with this statement you made here.
Yeah.
Because, sorry.
Okay. Now, my brother.
Statement you made wrong. Somebody against your spiritual father.
Okay, o nwere ife nchọrọ ịjụ Ebuka Obi asị ha ije lụwarị ọgụ Mathias gwa ije lụwarị ọgụ onwe ndị Mathias apọshọnụrụ ha je lụwarị ọgụ.
I've not seen one.
You have not seen one.
I've not seen.
Thank you very much. Now, ịsịrị na nọ hapụrụ ya Chukwu na-anụzi na Chukwu ọgụ you said it here because though ka anyị chụọ gị ajụjụ Chukwu okike abịa ma and this our ancestors. Why people like you jam on phone?
What am I doing? I'm trying to tell you what I do.
You were trying to justify that part of messaging.
Finish.
Everybody believe in
no, brother, whether they believe on it or they believe on it. Even na job they do no.
How can they ejiri Igbo kpọ ya aha?
Ihe even na-ekwu ha ma agba ife na-ekwu. Even na-ekwu uwo. O nwere mgbe o ji wee gwa oge Edwin ya dị n'ụwa ya ọgụ. Ha agba ife ha ma agba ife na-ekwu. Even na-ajụ o nwere mgbe o ji wee gwa oge Edwin ya dị n'ụwa ya ọgụ.
Okay.
Because I know maybe I justify message of evangelist Ebuka Obi about Chukwu Okike Abiama. He tried to say a lot of things about Chukwu Okike Abiama. Now, the Chukwu Okike Abiama apportion you to fight for him. Why do you people always have a way of trying to silence the Christians? No. So that they can give way for your messages to shine. Now, I don't want anybody to distract me from that place in Naga because actually me we are okay. Ogedwin. Actually, go sego. Na caution evangelist Ebuka Obi na advocate for. Women and Igbo ejiri malu nde.
Thank you.
It has nothing to do with any idol worshipper of Ije Tulunzu, of Ije Tuedo, or Ije Bomanya, or Ije Mulokoko. That one is your choice. That one is your choice. That wasn't the part of Omenana.
Because I want to get a problem here.
You are always blowing us back.
So, but he need the candle.
Am I not yes, only even the candle, a wooden candle,
can he candle now?
Okay, for us, no more on your hand. Okay, for not us, no more on your hand. Can he and by God, we okay, it seems like you don't want to talk about this part of messaging. No, you have a reason why you don't want to talk about it.
My own, why do you have
you don't want to talk about it? We have to talk about it.
Why do you have problem with it?
We don't have problem with that.
scandal? Why don't you have problem with scandal?
Now, Chelo get win. Ọ̀dọ̀kọ̀ ìwọ̀tara ebe na-eje ọga Tony. Ife gbasara omenala Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-ekwu about isi njirimara ndị Igbo. Ife eji wee mara ndị Igbo. Etu ndị Igbo si anụ nwaanyị. Etu ndị Igbo si
culture and tradition.
Culture and tradition. It has nothing to do with any form of achievement, any form of worship of Edwin Uchenu n'ụzọ ahụ.
Because in my way, I don't see any problem with Nzo. What
shall you represent? You cannot serve two masters at a time.
What? But I use
when I talk about Uzu and Dedo. When I talk about Uzu and Dedo. With so many places and a mife like an issue also and on a palace and a lot of things where you can use Uzu and Dedo, but you know what I am talking about. You know what I am talking about. So when we talk about the other part of man, you keep making reference to Neji Sini or Neji Awaji or Neji Aswabia. Your intentions are not pure. Your intentions are not pure. You are not a Christian. You are not a Zionite. You are not a Zionite. You are not a Zionite.
Allow me to talk. Can use candle to kill you? Mathias Ezeaku what are you trying to tell me?
They will never allow you about Mathias. The moment
Jesus Christ, allow Jesus Christ. Are you fighting for Jesus Christ? Allow Jesus Christ.
Why are you fighting for
Wait.
Are you the manufacturer of
Wait, I'm asking you a question.
Why are you fighting for
Why are you fighting for I don't couldn't answer. You put on your screen. You don't put on yourself.
Okay, say defend Mathias now. Can you put it in Mathias?
Okay, defend Mathias. My science. Wait on your way. I'm not defending my ancestors. Who is Mathias? All people like you are not a Zionite. You are not one.
Edwin, listen. Edwin, I know you see 218.
Very well. This man is fighting for who? He's fighting for Zion. He's not
before the information of balance of justice.
Edwin, I'm fighting for my ancestors.
You are fighting for your ancestors.
Edwin, I know you before the formation of palace of justice.
You don't know me.
Then again,
if there's a form of page again about chess. Inform what page you give. Inform what page you get about chase them away. No. It's if I know you. He said if I know you. That's why I'm trying to tell you. So I know you very well.
Tony Chelu. Atoham ka programmer do noisy. Edwin, ihe nyere anyị aka ka program a ghara ịdụ noisy. Ịghọtago? For nna ha. I can't remember mentioning nna ya ebe a. And I can't remember mentioning anybody that is related to you here. So, Mathias, my
ancestors are not here. They represent Nanam.
I am mentioning every single thing we have mentioned.
They represent Nanam.
Okay. Bible.
I bet I'm one
Bible.
My own father.
Yes.
My father Garoka.
Your father Jeroka.
Yes.
So Bible your father Buru. Obolo even Nana use.
My father. I got me a book Bible.
Okay, Chelu.
I got me a book Bible have here my father Buru.
Okay. Mana your father book Bible now.
But I got me a book half.
Mana Bible so if Hebrew now.
I got
Bible.
I got me a book half of it. I got a get it over here. I can go with it. Every for my mama give me
on a Zion in
oh God.
I don't got to do. In a head, go see when we scream.
Edwin, because I don't to care branching on Zion na Germany.
Branching on I'm being in Germany because I'm in Nigeria. And I don't know I don't need to be in Germany.
Elena branch is registered.
Because every Nana Hana told the coordinator. You don't need to say your location. Coordinator Germany, Nona Hanover. Only Zion. Why be in Nigeria? Because I want money.
I'll get win. I may program of more for a motor now. Now let us run so that we can I'll get win. I know will hear one after the other. Oh yeah, to go over. In only would they name a whole year over. On a site evangelism.
Ezugo, honestly speaking, honestly speaking, you cannot use propaganda and pursue me out of Zion.
Propaganda now.
So I'm a Zionite, and doesn't mean I shouldn't knowledge.
You are not a Zionite.
Okay. Okay, Chelu.
My grandfather
look at your grandfather mistake. Book the Bible, book for you. Your father made mistake.
My father will book
the Bible, book for you. Go and take one at Zion, did the one, and they book a Bible, book for you. Now, where do I have to do? On a Zion, a lot of people know what today. On my hand, as a chapter,
I'm not chapter. I go and my Lord. So I'm not working my own deficit.
Your own deficit. Okay, okay, do it. You need to me when you know more.
You need number one day. One day you might be okay. I need to go to the one again. I tell my father, I'm a the importance of it. To tell me your Lord more. What your Lord more? Then now more I'm going to so because save your own child.
Where do we go? Can I bring away Mama Kazayon maybe to Jerusalem? On a Facebook.
I would on a Facebook. Beg you for the win Nigeria here.
No Nigeria. But you don't think I'm a magic Gammonti. Can you make it
Gammonti? Zion in my mother is a Zionite. My mother I want to do okay. My father I forget with I don't planted them. I don't know how to do it. Allow me to talk. You don't put more weight in my mouth. Somebody, I myself did it.
You started going to Zion.
Yes.
How did you get to know about Zion?
How
did you get to know about Zion?
I will tell you how. I will show you the video.
On a video, okay, for you?
Yes.
Na Facebook, okay, for you?
You got my name.
Okay, thank you.
He called me out.
Okay, Shelo.
So
actually, he believes in prophecy.
Oh, God.
Joya.
You said that Evangelist Ezeaku called you out, and it made you to start going to Zion.
You know, Professor Wamoma.
Okay, doing it. You don't know.
So I know Igbo guy now. What I
What of the solution also the amuma? The solution to the amuma.
Ogasa, have you now understand where I'm going?
I have to be honest with you. She look at you like you carry when we take what they be naga. Is the home Jojo? I got to be naga, including Tonino here. So he believe in amuma.
What am I?
And amuma we even so.
Thank you.
So now, do you believe in prophecy with solution? Do you believe that every prophecy will be a solution? Do you believe?
Zaya.
My brother, I just got your Amuma, got your Amuma, people wade. A Burugamuma is for you to know the right thing and do it.
Oh.
But when you get Burugamuma, when you get solution, I don't go ahead, which is on at the very rare. The good motive, audio Guyana, most Amman one solution. Because I don't want to team on. I don't want to team. And I want money in the book. So
so now let us believe with solution, but this is not the right.
Very rare.
Thank you. Meaning that amuma with solution. Now let me take you back to Ife Iburu before here.
Thank you.
Now,
I can do. I will help them.
When you now was that what you said?
Because I got them my video. I can't go to this my video and I go to the content because it's my problem. It's my own. No. I don't harmless. Without a proof. Then I'm making mockery of myself.
I don't need that. I don't need the proof. Then you saying it alone is enough for me to believe it. Yesterday now, out. I think you can even reach you.
Rewind that video. Get away from me, Veronica. Now, no, he said they called me out.
Hey! No, Igbo rapper, did not tell you out.
No, not physical calling out. Physical calling out. His name was mentioned. That's what you said.
Okay, let me go with Ifiku. Your name was mentioned. There was a prophecy with you. Is that not true? And the Nyameri will be to Jerusalem. Now, against the wind. Even the way say in a group, I will iron. If they need Jerusalem, Ejebelu for your soul. Now, have you seen why I said I don't want to know what took you to Zion? Reason is because everybody from a Zion ministry were different things at Zion. But we know that it is not to go and pray for your soul. Because you can pray for your soul anywhere.
Okay, now
Evangelist did not mention your name for you to come and we pray for you.
Okay, I agree. You know, I agree that what I'm fighting against something.
That's what
Even also na Zion to pray for his soul. But akpọzi aha ya because of akpọrọ aha ya obido John ya Zion. Nwanne mgbe aha akpọrọ aha gị and you don't need to join Zion. Able to pray for your souls. Why do you join Zion? Because of the problem.
My brother, I will, because of statement he made now, I will not continue this topic. And as you go, if you continue this topic, I will just.
Okay, I didn't provoke. We are having a game discussion here. But
you people can respect me. That happened this topic.
So
don't discuss me.
Okay. Let us leave you out of me. But don't take us to yourself again.
Talk about me. You know, my whatever I am.
Okay, doing.
Whatever I'm doing in Zion.
Okay, doing. Don't take us.
Now you have said it. If it's to pray for your souls, there is many churches. Any church in on you can pray for your souls.
I've respected you enough.
Tony.
Furthermore, I will not even.
Tony, let us not talk about okay doing again. Don't.
Nobody can take it away from me. I'm a Zionite.
Okay doing. Don't redirect us.
Infiltrator.
Now.
Yes, never.
I will leave my but everyone is I have been now. We are going to leave all those things, but let me go back to what I was talking about.
Go on.
Don't redirect me back to yourself again, so that we can stop talking about you. Now, enwere omenala Igbo. Omenala Igbo mụ na yo as a Christian, it's not the same as the one Mathias now propagate. What Mathias is propagating or is promoting is a substitute, not a substitute, a replacement for our Christian faith. Mathias is in the other way around, telling us that we should leave Christianity, that Jesus Christ is fake, that God doesn't exist, that man is God to man, that Jesus Christ is just a story or whatever thing. Now you that is dedicating your time praying to God, praying to Christ, calling the name of Jesus Christ, is dancing to the message of Mathias. Mathias did not just wake up and start saying, take people to hospital, Jesus Christ and the olive oil does not heal people. He knows that pastors pray for people. Even doctors will tell you that doctors cure, but Jesus Christ heal. Doctors cure, but God heals. Doctors who professional will tell you that they cure, but not God will not heal. We all know that. That was how we grew up. We all go to the hospital. We pray to God. We all go out there every day to hustle in our areas of business. But we still pray to God to bless us. We all use our money to pay for transport fare. We all choose our different and individual choice means of transportation. But we pray to God to guide us to our destination. We are not praying God to throw us from Lagos to East. We move to Ekenedirichukwu, we move to Eastern Mass, we move to Orizu, we move to Epis, we move to Kerafa Airline or United Nigerian Airways. We went there, we bought tickets. Then we pray to God to guide us to our destination. So nobody prays. And when such people, they can be classified into minority of people who keep doing things wrong. We have them everywhere, in every family, in our business field, in our business line, in our workplaces. They keep doing things wrongly, but they belong to the minority. Now, what I am saying is, message of Mathias is saying that olive oil and Jesus Christ does not heal. He is not hidden in the fact that you should take a sick person to the hospital. It is a replacement for that God I know. It is a replacement for Jesus Christ for you. It is it is a way of telling us that Jesus Christ is powerless, that our Christian faith is powerless, that we should leave Christianity and join him in that that is why he hit that message.
Okay,
it is not awakening people that they should start going to the hospital, or we know what is sponsoring or what is motivating that his message of olive oil does not heal. How you know that?
Can I talk?
You can now talk.
Oh, thank you. Ezeaku, my brother. Honestly speaking, I'm so happy when you called me this afternoon. You remember, I just got up to 2 or 3 hours. You called me, Abby. I thought the world should know how we got to meet each other now. You called me and you told me, am I in Lagos? I said, I'm in Lagos. I'm very much around because I don't know your movement. You came into Lagos and we met immediately. You came, as I'm talking to you, Ezeaku, it's in my house. So, why am I saying this?
I have an appointment here.
I know, no, since now can do social media where that because some people will be surprised if you guys will go and okay doing on this live program. Please, this is how life is supposed to be. Nobody has the let me say all this thing we create on this media space is not in any way the reality. I always say it. Then a lot of things we do on media is not what we exhibit, you know. So I'm everybody's practical example. I'm not in any way. I was not scared meeting him or knowing his own stand about everything. So I want to use this medium to appreciate him for the finding me worthy to come and visit me. Okay. So now coming to the issue about Mathias Ezeaku. Please, Ezeaku, I said it. I will repeat it again, and I will not repeat myself again. Mathias has a very good message he has been sending out. Before he started sending it out, he was before doing a lot of charity work, which I saw with my eye. And I have said that I know his anger. You know, if we keep attacking him, he will keep doing more. So where am I going? If there's no way you can come and ask Mathias what to close, shut down, maybe that place is gathering people to kind of do his own or manner his own way. I am not in any way someone that people might be surprised. Maybe next week you will see me in that Omenala church. Okay, we call now. No, that is the Lord. That is the Lord because here I won't be truth about it. That our church, that's not Omenala church. I'm not church. I know where.
You do what? That's what I do about it.
About where the cover. I didn't know how now so bad. You do what?
I don't know. Phone on my street out.
Because I'm good. I know.
Well, you do what? No, we literally.
I'm good before I see her.
Uncle.
I know Nantia and I'm good. And then I get good. Una fugono ya neku. Oh yeah, the wrong things are. A brother. Uncle Joe now I'm going to be a woman or here can be. Or Ezeaku got testify. Because why am I saying this? This guy, Mathias, who has been doing a lot of great things, before he started going the way the party is going, it will not make me to come and be fighting him. Because God never asked you to go and fight his fight for him. So why am I saying this? I am struggling saying it and I will repeat it. I stand by whatever he says about treatment. If he is sick, because that's what I know him for. He always comes seek for support for people to go to hospital. And at the time, he started showing cases of little cases that could have been taken care of with 5 or 20,000 naira. The person later developed a serious sickness, which a church could have catered for. So his anger started growing. Mathias used to pray to do anything he want to do before for years. You know what I mean? So, Ezeaku, because I want you to know that Mathias is a man, a full-grown man. whatever activity he's doing in that his Omenala church is his own problem. But the principal aspect of it, the one thing I like he's doing is addressing our people. If you are sick, go to hospital. And that's how even me, if I fall sick now, somebody didn't carry me to hospital and carry me to go to somewhere they want to use prayer to pray me out, I will not be happy. You know, I will maybe I'm no more talking. I don't know how I will put it. So my brother, I want you to know one thing. Let love lead. I've always said it. We are all brothers. Let us stop this thing we are doing to each other. There's no way you can use force to stop Matthias from whatever he's doing. Likewise, Matthias can never even stop my spiritual father from what he's doing. So what is the essence of coming out fighting each other like this? Our brother that called in now, you don't know me, you say I'm not doing it. Let us can never, you know, come to this conclusion.
Before the camera, you have talked down on my personality. So forget about if you do one. Okay, this is the problem I have with you people. I go cover if I put each other. Okay, my point is, does he know me? My point exactly is,
my brother did.
Wait, my point exactly is, we should stop pointing at what each other say. We have all said about each other.
I don't even know you guy. But you say I told you rubbish about against me. But it's okay. It's his own
reality more something that doesn't go with your own or didn't call disrespect. I'm heading to 50. In a quoku more can you agree here? One mother buggy the real truth, accept it, that's not disrespect. I'm not going to say one one the reality is that you don't want to stand the point here. Defend there only ID card.
Even you know, could break it.
The other brother, I was about
ekene nwoke kene nwaanyị na-watch ihe onyonyo a. The little contribution that I just want to make is this. I just want to talk a brief about Matthias. From the first day Matthias on his camera, that was the first time I started watching him and started following him. I know how Matthias started. The rest is history. Now, Matthias went to India. Where banye court. Kobanye that court wa hobanye na India. Ewe nya one piam more. Owe wori agwe na Nigeria. We feel no geji that power enyere na India. That mpia more ahụ je na India weje wote no geji agwe na-eme miracle. Ihe ndị ọzọ otu ndị pastors si eme. When he now came back, he burnt the Bible. Now, all those things he couldn't do those miracles that the pastors and the prophets were doing. Unnecessarily. Now, na-eje ụlọ ọ na-anaghị eje ụlọ ọgwụ ifunugo ebe ndị na-eje ụka bịa sị gị eje n'ụlọ ọgwụ ma ọ bụ na ahụ n'ahịa gị. Most of the hospitals that were built
why are we not talking about it?
No.
Think we know now. What's the essence of talking about it?
You tell him to stop saying it. Why are we talking about it? So we should allow him to keep saying it. Why we should close our mouth? Is that what you are telling me?
How will you do it?
So how will you continue to prove to people? Why should we be talking about it?
How will you do it?
By enlightening people. Now sit on out. If you cannot tell him to stop lying, but you will tell us to stop proving to people no,
Yeah,
how can you people be biased?
I am a strong
How can you people be biased?
I am a strong supporter of that idea that only one day can no longer.
Just to see when you do how I don't know. Go and show me now. Come to the just Zion. Say if you be Zion. How if you be Zion? Mathias is the highest people from Zion. Where have you seen it? Where have you seen it? Where have you seen it?
Before Mathias, the video more operate. A lot of this we are going on.
Okay, do we check at this?
A lot of
you are not telling us where it is happening. You are still sounding the way
Mathias help this hooligan. Coaches are na-achọpụtasị na ndị ngwọrọ gara ije n'uwichi a rụbọrọ onwe daa n'onye mgbe gịnị mere ozi ha
onwe daa n'onye chịpụta crutches.
Yes, before. After we get to
na chịpụta crutches. Ọga miracle na-eme everywhere.
Ọgwụ na-aba
na ajọgọ onwe daa na onwe daa ọkwụsịghị. Ọlesi nọ na-ewọchị. Ọlesi nọ na-ewọchị end of 100 day. The other day, a madman.
Matthias is not against Zion. Because he's not against Zion. He's not Zion. Matthias is not against Zion only.
Why did you not come after Zion?
Ezugo, in your life, my brother, in your life, you have one. But how is it? It's your own opinion. But what you people to know? You know they deceive. Why deceive? Can they deceive? Have you not proved it's your own opinion? I know your opinion. What he did now is totally not. You are not living life. That thing I need to preach. You condemn
how they want people to live like who they are not living like. Because
continue this part. I'm not part of it.
Brother,
please, I want people to listen to me. Now, most of the hospitals that was built in Igbo land was built by Christians, by the missionaries. Do you understand? How now most of us even during the Civil War, the missionaries came, Christians. That one apart. Let me talk briefly about Edwin Igwe. Edwin Igwe bụ Kenya Roman. He doesn't behave like an elderly person.
No, brother. Let us not go personal. Wait, my brother. My brother said, no, can you direction? Oh, hey, man, let us stick to that particular issue. Let us not go about the personality of Edwin. Let us not bring it to whatever we are discussing here. We are discussing about what brought about these issues now. What are going issues need like where we are here. So let us focus on. All right. So let us focus on that particular thing. Yes.
In this to know Oyibo say, if there is no event, there will be no history. Now, allow me to say brief about Edwin Igwe. Do you know what Edwin Igwe have cost? Do you know that Edwin Igwe was part of people that destroyed Ogechi Okeke Njaka's NGO? Do you know that? Are you aware of that? So when I'm talking about Edwin Igwe, I know him from the beginning when he started operating on Facebook. So I can tell you much about that man. So you asking me not to say something about him, you are not being fair to me. Because that is how he goes from one platform to another to destroy the good work of people.
His page was there. He chased them away. Chased them away was his page.
So I can tell you more about Edwin Igwe. Edwin Igwe is a negative person. You will never see him where they are doing good. If they are doing good, you will see him coming to destroy that good things that people are laboring for. So Edwin Igwe is never a good man. So I'm even surprised to see him on this live program. And most of the times it doesn't make sense. Most of the times that he's talking, he just argue blindly or argue because of argument. It doesn't make sense.
Anyway, brother, by engagement like this, with engagement like this, because by running away from those people, they may never understand. You gotta go. If run is going to an anchor and they do know Nanya. There is no way you can constantly be protecting Mathias and his escapade, but you will keep telling us to close our mouth. Although to them fight for Christ, why are you fighting for Ebukobi? Is this the Ebukobi did not ask you to be doing this? Now, but you keep defending Mathias. You cannot even condemn something the bad Mathias in a way. In case they preach him too much, is all of them now claiming to be Zionite. Everybody is now a Zionite. Every one of them is now a Christian. Conduct one way in a manner a Christian shall conduct. You can't do that. Or you go how to live and behave like Christians. You cannot do that. Who are you expecting to be a better Christian that you cannot be?
Ezeaku, Osina Prophet Ebuka Boraya, and this man said that he doesn't believe in miracle. Abahagi, and you agree for it to see. Abahagi, and you agree that no one give a here. You believe no one had it up, or you believe one of those prophets are when you need because of that, you would have been Zion. And why do you come to the Zion? For the solution of the problem. Because again, we hear again one moment who needs to get Zion. If it is to pray for your souls, there is many ways you can pray for your souls. So telling me that he is coming to Zion to pray for his souls is completely lie. You wanna go? I don't know how you can be a Zionite. You didn't believe in miracle, which means and somebody you call your spiritual father, somebody I condemn and I say allow Jesus to fight for himself. But so that we can allow Mathias to be criticizing him.
Allow Jesus Christ and evangelist Ebukobi to prove himself, but you will be defending Mathias.
Then for people to believe, I get defend this one. For people to believe in him, Mathias in Ezeaku. If you cannot counter his lies, how can people believe? So my brother, how the surprise for Edwin? Man, I'm a go one that place yo. This guy who can infiltrator, when was a night, you can go on the real truth.
No,
not a Zionite.
He's
not a Zionite.
He
can never be a Zionite. On my tree, I can't branch in on a admin, all those things. On our worry, my location here. You understand? He's not a Zionite.
It's not.
So why I'm a happy guy, thanks for bringing me in.
Yeah, because definitely I will end this broadcast because when you have a live open now, definitely the
disrespect or so I go okay, I'm I know him for 2018. Create a page but chase them away. They are the former honorable the Palace of Justice, Sobu. Okreti here about chase them away. I'm a man on a claim. I know those
No,
things, so I don't want to
no,
go into that.
I'm doing Igwe from the first day he came to Facebook. Is it not Ogechi that brought all of them to Facebook? Who know who he is? Is it not Ogechi? Most of them came to Facebook because of Ogechi. Is it not because of Ogechi that they start hearing their name? What are they talking about? We know their history.
The worst is that if Ogedwin can say that during those days n'okpuru ndị Igbo na-eme pretense, n'okpuru ndị Igbo na-asa azụ iko, ọ n'okpuru ndị Igbo na-eme eye service, disregarding the charity work ọ na-eme. What makes you believe that now all these Amansi Mathias can make us to look away from the actual Mathias that we know? Mathias is an antichrist. Every single message on a preach is to back up that antichrist message. Let nobody mistake it. If you are a Christian and you are not seeing Mathias for an antichrist that he is, I don't know the kind of a Christian you are. Because somebody cannot claim to love your family, to love your father, but that person will be talking down and undermining the image of your father, blackmailing the image of your father, saying no for family. How can that person be? How can that person claim to love your family? In a friendly way, Christian. But you know the foundation of message Mathias needed. Mathias has proven himself to be the Jesus Christ of our time. That he has done more than Jesus Christ can ever do. No one saying a Christian and which kind of a Christian are you? Who are you even going inside that church to go and pray for? If that person is so powerful that he cannot do anything, why are you worshiping a powerless God? I am asking you, why are you worshiping a God that is powerless, that he cannot provide for you anything? But every day, every Sunday, he was Yata and Kwado, Jenu Nuka, Jeberu, the same God. Yeah? I don't understand. My people are thinking I'm going to end this broadcast. I will come back later.
Thank you very much for accepting
we have to end this broadcast here.
Thank you very much. I appreciate for accepting my request.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. So, this is to show you people, in whatever thing I name on Facebook here, Mama ways you go, I don't have any personal grievances for anybody, not even one person. If you present yourself to be my enemy, I will treat you like an enemy. If you present yourself to be my friend, I will treat you like a friend. If you present yourself to be my colleague, I will treat you as my colleague. I don't bear any grudges or any personal, beside this particular topic I treat with. Beside what I feel about if any treaty with anything personal, I don't care. Except no jaka will be personal to me. You want then so we see no na you book follow. You want to carry here to I still remain your favorite Ezeaku. That no moto na so if any flying in quifa. Okwo moto can start by AC on Eco. Monasa and do jobless. Monasa and do jobless. And do jobless. Naron fuel no naron fuel na moto. So okay we make a program ki we no ifa na but I wash here. You wash where watch shy some am do jobless. You wash what program watch shy program. Let's go do jobless. Nando jobless. Ike wolo. Not go. So bye.